Hi, my name is Divyaa Advaani. I'm an image consultant, etiquette, and a soft skills coach by profession. I am the founder of the brand Suave U, under which I discuss about image consulting and soft skills and various etiquettes. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I would request you to please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification if in case you haven't, and get regular updates from whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Today in this video, we shall be talking about your social etiquettes of handing over your visiting card to people. Be it accepting cards or giving out cards, there are certain things that need to be taken into consideration. The value you have for yourself and your own company, or the company that you work for, the card when you hand that over speaks a lot about how you are handing it over to another person. Without further ado, we shall go ahead seeing the right technique of sending across a good message to the person in front of you by handing over your visiting card. If in case I am a person who wants to hand out my card to the other person in front of me, I shall always make sure that my card is facing towards them. The written matter should be facing towards them, and I shall be holding it with both my hands in such a manner. It is very wrong to be holding your card like this, or giving it like this, or like this. It doesn't pass a right signal to the person. It shows that how much you value your own brand. The best way to do it is to take your card in both your hands and give it across in such a manner by showing respect for your own self as well as your own brand. Once the card has been accepted by the person, you shall be leaving the card from both your hands and giving it away. If you are a person on the receiving end, if there is somebody handing out your card to you, they shall give it to you in a manner where they can read the item. So if I am the one receiving the card, I shall be taking it in such a manner. I shall again be accepting it with both my hands by showing respect to the person giving this card to me. Once I have received the card, I will not directly keep it in my bag or my pocket, and I will definitely not just hold it in one hand. I will take the card from both my hands. I shall read it to show the other person that I am interested in that person's knowledge and what that person does. I shall make sure that I go through the card in the front side as well as at the back side. Once I'm done with that, I shall turn it back to me to the front side and then make sure that the card goes in my bag or in my pocket. It is very impolite if somebody, when they hand over their cards to you, you just take it from them and keep it inside. It doesn't show a willingness of you to be connecting to that person. It might be in such a manner that when you are doing that, that person might be offended or would not want to interact with you further. So to avoid that, it is always best that you take the card, read it, and then keep it in your bag. This will show a lot of appreciation from your end and will also make the other person want it. Similarly, while you are on the giving end, when you are handing over your card to somebody, you can make sure that that person, while they have accepted your card, you ask them for their card too if that is the person you are wanting to get in touch with you. You need not be the one going around giving your cards to everybody. Make sure that the cards, when you have been asked for your card, is when you give your card. Or if there is a person you really would like to interact with or would like to get associated with, that is the person you're handing over your card to. Just going around the room giving your cards to people does not give a good impression about you. I hope most of your queries regarding giving your visiting card as well as accepting visiting cards has been heard for and has been said in this entire video. If there is any other such video that you would like me to do, please comment, please write in the comment box below. I would really appreciate and see if there is anything else that I could come up for you. I will make sure to keep coming up with such great videos so that it enhances your personal skills and also helps you develop the standard that you're looking for in a certain society or in a certain gathering or social gathering or a business gathering. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Please do hit the like button and share the video with as many people as possible.